G'day and welcome back to the Aussie Motorhome and RV Show. Powered by RV3D, Australia's custom 3D printing specialists for caravans, motorhomes and RVs. Find them at rv3d.com.au, Series 3, Episode 3. Travelling with pets, dogs, cats and the rules you need to know. Pets are wonderful travel companions and a significant number of Australian RV travellers bring their dogs or cats on the road. But pets in RVs come with specific planning requirements, important restrictions, and genuine responsibilities that affect where you can go and how you travel. National park rules are the biggest constraint for pet owners. The majority of Australian national parks do not allow pets, even in vehicles. This is a condition of entry, not a suggestion, and rangers do check. Domestic animals are a biosecurity and wildlife threat in national park environments. Kakadu, Uluru, Kata, Chuta, most state and territory national parks, pets are generally not permitted. Some areas permit pets in day-use areas on leash but not on walking tracks or overnight. Always verify current rules directly with the relevant park authority before arriving with a pet. This restriction significantly affects itineraries. Pet owners travelling Australia need to make deliberate choices about which destinations they prioritise. Some iconic locations either can't be visited with pets or require different arrangements. Heat is the most serious safety issue for pets in motorhomes. Vehicle interiors in Australian summer reach temperatures that are fatal for animals extremely quickly, even with windows cracked. Never leave a pet in a vehicle in warm weather without active climate control. If your rig doesn't have air conditioning that can run independently while parked, you need a plan for warm weather stops. Veterinary access on the road. Before a major trip, have your pet fully health checked and vaccinations current. Carry a basic pet first aid kit. Know the location of veterinary services along your planned route. Major regional centres typically have vets, but truly remote areas do not. Registration and identification. Ensure your pet's microchip details and registration are current and contact details up to date. A lost pet in an unfamiliar remote location without current registration is extremely difficult to reunite with its owner. Caravan parks vary widely in pet policies. Most permit pets with conditions, some are pet-free. Always check when booking. Travelling with a pet well means planning more carefully, accepting some destination constraints, and taking heat safety seriously. Next episode, eating well on the road, how full-time travellers cook and eat well without a full kitchen. This has been the Aussie Motorhome and RV Show, powered by RV3D. For custom 3D printed parts built for Australian conditions, visit rv3d.com.au. That's rv3d.com.au. Safe travels, and we'll see you next episode.